Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4 in geography classes. Our topic is types of scale. In our yesterday classes, students, we already learned about some points related to scale, and now we are going to study deeply about scale and the types of scale. Types of scale. Students, we already learned about importance of scale in map and in also the measuring distance between one place to other place. There are two types of scale are used in map to show the distance. Now students, we all know the use of scale. Scale are used in a map to show the distance. सिंपल डेफिनेशन है, स्केल आर यूज इन अ मैप टू शो द डिस्टेंस. ओके. And students, the first type of scale is small scale type. Small scale map and the second type of scale is large scale map. The first type of scale is small scale map and the second type of scale is large scale map. Okay. Now students, we are going to describe the both types of scale. When large area like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper on a paper then we used then we use a small scale okay. What is small scale? When large area like continents, we know in our world there are 7 continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale. It means जब भी हम किसी बहुत बड़े प्लेस का लाइक कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड कंट्रीज का जब भी हम मैप बनाते हैं तो हम किस स्केल का यूज करते हैं? स्मॉल स्केल का. ओके, वी यूज एट दैट टाइम स्मॉल स्केल. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स you all understand what is small scale and the use where the use of small scale. Now you can take a screenshot. Students, here is a example to describe small scale. For example, five cm on the map shows 5,000 for example 5 centimeter for example 5 cm on the map shows 500 kilometers on the ground. ओके, 5 सेंटीमीटर क्या इंडिकेट करता है? 500 किलोमीटर स्केल. ओके, 5 सेंटीमीटर इंडिकेट्स 500 किलोमीटर. Now students, we are going to discuss about the next now students, we are going to discuss about large scale map. Large scale map. In large scale map, small area like your village, your city, is to be shown shown on a paper then we use a large scale. Okay. In large scale, small area like your village, your city is to be shown on a paper. Then we use a large scale. And how we use large scale? For example, For example, 5 centimeter, 5 cm on the map, shows 500 meters. On the map. Sorry, on the ground. Okay. In large scale, In large scale, 5 cm on the map shown 500 meters on the ground. Now students, you can take screenshot.
Students, what we learn in our today class? In our today class, we learn about some important points related to scale. We all know scales are very useful to draw a map. In today's class, we learn about two types of scale. The first is small scale type and the second is large scale types. Okay. Now students, hope you all understand the difference between large scale map and small scale map. Okay. Students, here we can see the difference between small scale map and the large scale map. स्मॉल स्केल मैप इंडिकेट क्या कर रहा है? वो इंडिकेट कर रहा है ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड के मैप को. एंड लार्ज स्केल मैप क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? वो पर्टिकुलर किसी एक प्लेस जस्ट लाइक दिल्ली के मैप को और वहाँ के छोटे छोटे जो सब डिविजन्स हैं, सब पार्ट्स हैं, उनको इंडिकेट कर रहा है. सो इट मीन्स स्मॉल स्केल मैप का यूज़ होता है किसी बड़े प्लेस के लिए एंड लार्ज स्केल मैप का यूज़ होता है पर्टिकुलर किसी छोटे प्लेस के मेजरमेंट के लिए. ओके.
Now friends, we can say that large scale map gives us more information related that place than small scale map. Okay. So students, I hope you all understand the topic types of scale very well. We will continue the chapter number 4 in our next classes with other topic. So, thank you students.